Hello, this is Tony Heller from RealClimateScience.com. Bill Gates says that almost everyone in the world has to get his injection.
But you don't have a choice. People act like you have a choice. Normalcy only returns when we've largely vaccinated the entire global population.
Bill Gates knows a lot about viruses, having created the world's most virus-prone computer operating system. Now let's go back in time 18 months and look at what Bill Gates was talking about. All of the eyes of the world were on New York City, where they were having a terrible pandemic and ambulances were lined up outside the hospitals. New York's nurses were the world's heroes for going in day after day and facing down death. During the summer, New York City held a ticker tape parade celebrating their heroism. Having survived for 18 months, it's pretty clear that these people have developed quite a natural immunity to the virus. But now they're being forced out of work because they refuse to get Bill Gates' injection. The governor says that shutting down healthcare services is about protecting the public health. Now let's go back in time 20 years. All eyes were on New York firefighters. They were the world's heroes on 9/11/2001. 343 firefighters from 75 firehouses died that day, protecting other people's lives. And on the 20th anniversary of 9/11, they're being canceled because they refused to get Bill Gates' injection. The New York City government says that shutting down firehouses and canceling their heroes is about protecting public health. What could possibly go wrong with New York demoralizing their population while shutting down their healthcare services and their emergency services at the same time? Now let's go back in time 1 year to the 2020 election. The New York mayor said that people with darker skin were heroes because of the color of their skin. And now, 1 year later, the mayor won't allow most of the people in the city with darker skin into restaurants or health clubs because they refuse to get Bill Gates' injection. They're also not allowed to work. New York is competing with California for being the world's #1 apartheid state. Also, 1 year ago, Democrats said that it was racist to ask people with darker skin for an ID. And now they won't allow people who don't have an ID to work, into a restaurant, or most other aspects of public life. Bill Gates and the Democrats are doing this because of social justice and science. Toto has been pulling back the curtain on this madness for the past 13 years. You can visit him, Curie, and Caesar on the web at realclimatescience.com.